In this tutorial, we'll take a look at finding Garageband files that are kind of buried in our system. Garageband, when it creates a file or when you start creating some music Garageband, the file by default gets stored in the Garageband folder. And that can be a little bit hard to find on your computer workstation. So let's walk through the process of doing that. Now, the first thing I want you to do, guys, is if you have Garageband running, go ahead and close it out. Now, remember, to close out a piece of software, you do not just want to click the red button here. And I know that allows it to close, but it doesn't mean, or I mean, it allows it to go away, but that doesn't mean that Garageband is not still running. Remember, for any program on a Mac, you have to go into it and quit out of it. So whether you go into GarageBand's menu up here at the top when it's active and go to Quit GarageBand, that's the best way to do it. Or if you want to double check to see if it's actually running still or not, you can go down here and right click or control click on the icon, and if it says quit, that means it's still running. So make sure you go to quit here now, and then it will actually close GarageBand. If I go down there and control click again, notice how it says open now. That's telling us that it's currently not running and we're good to go. And that's important when you want to move the file here, and I'll show you that in just a second. So now that we're out of GarageBand, let's go find that file. So simply go to Macintosh HD, and in here, guys, in the Macintosh HD window, you're looking for the folder that says Users. Okay, double click on that, and then you want to find the folder. It's really not a folder, it's actually a logo or icon. Looks like a house. Now mine has my first initial last name on it because I'm a teacher. Yours is going to have your student number under the house for the name. Go ahead and double click on that. Once you're in there, go to Music, and you'll see a folder for GarageBand. And in there is where it should be saved. Now what I would do if I were you is I would take that now, drag and drop it onto your desktop. So now it's available there. And now once it's here, you can double click on it to open it up, or it's an easy place to find the file when you go to turn it in. Okay, I believe the assignment is currently in Edmodo right now. Some people were having trouble attaching it. It was giving it an error. If that's happening to you, if you tried it a couple times, it's happening to you, please just type in the response box in the assignment, getting error when trying to turn in, or something to that effect, and then I'll have to come to your workstation and grade your work from your workstation. Okay? So just let me know if that's continuing to be a problem. Also notice if you want to now just go ahead and do some more work on the file, you can just simply double click it and it will open up GarageBand for you from there. Okay? So that is how you find a file, a GarageBand file rather, on your computer. Like I said, it's kind of buried away in a strange spot, and you have to go in there and find it. I hope this is helpful.